Hi, William. I really enjoyed your presentation. I liked how on your slides describing assessment and evaluation in formative versus summative assessments, you included the both category in the middle to show the similarities and differences between both of these. So it was really great that you added that in because as I did it, I only did just the similarities and the differences, not the things that both of them have in common together in one visual. So I thought that was really great to add to your presentation. I really appreciated how you incorporated authentic assessments and what effective, ineffective methods are used. I did not think to include the effective and ineffective aspects into my own presentation. This provides the audience with a clear explanation of what they should and shouldn't do in their assessments. And sometimes this is crucial for teachers to lay it out what they should and shouldn't do, or what types of methods they should include or should not do. As future educational leaders, it is beneficial to provide feedback. Video feedback and audio feedback is a tool that we should all be using because this allows our audience to re-watch and re-listen to the feedback we have given them in case they miss something that was mentioned. This also gives us time to explain everything that we are talking about and not just leave a short little note that doesn't really explain anything and they can't really get any clarification on. This also allows the educational leaders to thoroughly explain the aspects that is in their feedback and sometimes even add examples that help the audience. Overall, your presentation was very insightful and I learned a lot. This will be beneficial to use as in your future as an educational leader. It is important to have teachers all on the same page to understand the differences between assessments and evaluations.